up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So glad to see y'all come back again. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm about to do some chili, and I'm kind of moving fast with this video. I don't want to make it too long, but yeah, I'm doing a black bean chili. This is my recipe that I created on my own. I just be throwing stuff together, y'all, and it be turning out bomb. So hopefully you'll try this with your family. Right here I'm using 3 pounds of ground beef, and this is all my seasons. I'm gonna show y'all as I go though. I'm just really showing this. I ain't really have to show this part, but I just wanted to say hi everybody. Thank y'all for tuning in, and let go. So what's up, y'all? So right here I'm taking out half of the vegetables. Well, not half, like more than half, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of vegetables in to add my ground beef to that, because I was gonna take all of them out, but I changed my mind. So I'm putting these vegetables to the side, and I'm gonna add my 3 pounds of ground beef. This is 3 pounds of ground beef right here, and I'm just gonna brown it up. I left the little peppers in there for more added flavor. So yeah, and I'm seasoning with the seasons I showed y'all. That seasoning salt. I got my cayenne pepper, my, what was that? My paprika. No, that was my chili. I mean my what was that? That's black pepper. Oh, that was my cayenne pepper, the first one. That's my red pepper flakes, my onion salt, what is that? Oh, that's my chili powder, paprika. What else we got? And my garlic, my minced garlic. Yeah, so those are all the seasonings. And yeah, I forgot about my cumin too. So add just some cumin in there. And that's all my seasonings. So yeah, moving along. I had to speed this part up, so I didn't want to make it too long. So those are my seasonings, y'all. So I had forgot to tell y'all also that the vegetables that I used was carrots, celery, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green onion. Okay, so right here, I still had a little oil from my ground beef, just a little, but I'm adding my beans. I like to add them into a hot, pot. And so those are my 1 can of kidney beans, 2 cans of black beans. So you can switch it over however you want it. And then again, I'm coming in with that same seasoning that I season my meat with. Because, once you drain your meat, if you season it before you cook it, like me, you drain a lot of your seasonings out. So I'm putting the same exact seasonings on my beans. And that's it. And y'all can keep watching for the rest. So yeah, right here I did add 1 can of sloppy joe mix, and I added 3 cans of tomato sauce. The small tomato cans, you can see the sizes. I can't even know. I mean, I don't even remember the ounces, but you know what can they is. 3 of those, and then I also added yeah, I was just re-seasoning a little bit too. I had forgot to put my what is it? My tomato based bouillon. I had forgot to put that in there. And then I also added 1.5 cups of water. That's just like 1.5 cans of water. So I added that to my sauce because I didn't want it to be too thick in my chili. So you're gonna see me add water, and that's to thin my sauce out a little bit. All right. crackers. So right now, if you want to taste it, this is a good time to go and taste your, see if your seasoning's good. Mine's okay. I'm gonna add a little more seasoning salt. Don't need no more chili powder. Got enough of that in there. It tastes like chili. We'll add a little more of that. So I'm still re-seasoning. I was tasting as I go, y'all. And it wasn't to my liking, so I had to give it what it needs to be given. Because it wasn't given. But yeah, I'm just seasoning a little bit more. You can season to your liking. You can add any other seasonings that you want. But this is my way that I season mine. And I'm just about to just mix my little seasonings in. I'm tasting it as I go. And I'm going to let this go for 1 hour. And it should be done in 1 hour. And I will show y'all that in just a second. Alrighty, y'all, I wanted y'all to see like a little close up. I got it simmering right now. It's been 30 minutes. We got 30 more minutes. This is what it's looking like in 30 minutes. Y'all see that? The best chili you're gonna ever taste. I'm telling you. Follow my recipe. The best black bean chili ever. It's the best, y'all. Not lying. I'll be back in 30 minutes to show y'all what it's looking like. All right. All right, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. This is my chili after 1 hour. I hope you all tried it with your family. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all so much. Catch you in the next one.